Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove a wiper arm that doesn't want to come out when you remove the nut. First, now we start by removing the nut and just see if it will come out. Now we're trying to pull it up, but it doesn't want to come out. So now I'll show you how to remove it. For me, the easiest way to remove them is using locking pliers. First, we'll put on the nut, but we're not gonna tighten it, just maybe a couple of turns. And now we're gonna lock with locking pliers on the nut and on the wiper arm on the bottom. Make sure you lock the pliers very tight. That's how it looks like when I lock the pliers. And now next thing we have to do is just hold the arm and bring it up and down, and it will get loose. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. If the wiper arm doesn't want to get loose, try using more force and maybe bring it up and down a little bit, like rotate it a little bit, and that's it. For me, it's done. The wiper is out. Now we're going to remove the other wiper. So again, we loosen the bolt, we take the locking pliers and we lock them on the nut and on the wiper arm, and just when they're locked, just catch the wiper arm and just bring it up and down, maybe rotate it a little bit, and they will come out.